Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you fix common issues in PayPal. First, ensure your internet connection is strong and stable immediately. A weak signal can cause many problems. Then, take a moment to confirm your device and the PayPal application are fully updated. A simple restart of your phone or computer can also surprisingly resolve many minor glitches, getting you back on track efficiently and without much fuss. If a payment fails, your first step is to carefully review all payment card details you have entered. Even a single incorrect digit can cause an issue. Next, confirm you have adequate funds available in your linked bank account or card. Sometimes, banks may place a temporary hold, so reaching out to them directly can clarify things. If all else fails, trying an alternative funding source might just do the trick. Having trouble logging in can be frustrating, but there are simple solutions. Start by carefully re-entering your username and password, remembering that they are often case-sensitive. If that doesn't work, use the Forgot Password link to securely reset your credentials. Occasionally, a virtual private network or browser settings can interfere, so try disabling those or clearing your browser's cache and cookies before attempting to log in again. For issues with transactions, like an unauthorized purchase or an item you never received, head straight to your account's resolution center. There, you can officially open a dispute. It's crucial to provide all the evidence you have, including any communication with the seller or proof of purchase, to support your claim. Responding quickly to any requests for additional information from PayPal will help resolve your dispute much faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.